As empty nesters, you're always looking for opportunities to cash out some investments and reinvest your money elsewhere.
We decided to cash out in Flagstaff and put the money in the bank and then see what we were going to do with the money.
And then, lo and behold, got a little opportunity out of left field and completely unexpected.
Yeah.
Tell them the story.
Yeah, it's a funny story. So I was talking to a guy in San Antonio. I was trying to buy a Honda Rincon ATV from him, but he was a builder. And so I was looking at some lots down here in Rockport. I wanted you to bring me the ATV, I'd buy it from you, and show you some of these lots that you can maybe build a house. He goes, this. Again, I've been talking to this guy for 3-4 weeks. He goes, I've got a house, and I think maybe, I would sell it to you. I go, Jackie, come on, let's go. I think this could be a good house. I was kind of a little homely because it was green and orange trim and all that kind of stuff. But as an investor, you got to look, beyond that. So we came over here. We knew immediately that it was a house that we'd be interested in buying. So he offered it to us at $279,000, and it's like a couple of blocks from Aransas Bay.
So let's talk numbers.
We paid $279,000 for it. And then I think we paid $8,000 for the furniture in place, as you'll see. And then we spent another $12,000 on paint. So we stained the front deck and staircase, all that kind of stuff. Painted the exterior, painted the interior.
Because he's a builder in town, he had his crews. And so even though a lot of this stuff we paid on top of the purchase price, it actually was done by the time we closed escrow.
We picked up a couple of chairs and we brought this and that, a couple of things for the master, bought a ping pong table and cornhole. And the first year, which was about 7.5 months, 7 months worth of rental, and we've got a property management company, I would tell you we did around $28,000. And so
that's gross.
That was gross. And then net to us after we paid the management company, and of course you got to do landscaping and you got to do maintenance, you got to do some stuff. I think we ended up with like $21,000. But again, that wasn't the full year. Already coming into the next year, we're already going to be ahead of that by quite a ways.
This is our retirement. As real estate agents, we don't have a 401k plan or some kind of built-in pension that we get to cash out when we officially retire at a certain age. So obviously there's all different types of investments that you can make, and the most important thing is to make sure you're investing where you have the most knowledge and understanding. And of course, as real estate professionals, what do we know? Real estate. And now, come along with us as we introduce you to the Coastal Mint. This is our newest vacation rental that we purchased in Rockport, Texas, and as of the recording of this video, now our only home we own in Rockport, Texas. Make sure you stay tuned for our next video where we talk about selling the coastal cottage we bought the first time we came to Rockport. Coming up, we're going to be doing an entire series on investing in property that you can use as short-term rentals.
We'll kind of walk you through the process.
So stay tuned for our upcoming vacation rental series.
Wouldn't it be cool if you subscribed right now and you could walk with us in this little journey that we're going to take together?
A little bit of
Okay, so what are we talking about now? About that you're going to need to evaluate and look at.
Zoe, no,
No.
we're recording. You
Recording.
can't bark.
No bark.
No bark.
No bark.
Editing does
All right, you're good?
wonders.